Today's activity, we are going to make a fraction flower drawing. So you will be following the directions as I go through. On the screen, you'll see a white piece of paper, a colored rectangle of construction paper, crayons, and a Sharpie or a black marker. I need you to get those real quick, pause the video, and come back. Okay. Now that you have those supplies, you're going to need your paper. If you notice, it's going to be tall side up. And the first thing I want you to do is actually write your name on it and then flip it over. So write your name on the back. Second thing is that we are talking about fractions. So all of this is going to be about fractions. So the first thing is to identify the top half of your paper. So if I think about it, it's going to be anywhere above here. Now I'm going to draw 4 to 12 circles. So draw 4 to 12 circles with your black Sharpie. They can overlap, but you only want one of them to be showing, if that makes sense. Only one line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do one more right there. So I've got 8. You can do 4 to 12 circles. Pause so you can do that step. Okay, now you're going to make a vase on the bottom half, and you can make any shape. So if you wanted to make it a big circle, if you wanted to make it a big vase kind of like that, you can do that. So pause and make your vase. Now I want you to make your table line. So your table line is going to be anywhere on the bottom half. And next you're going to add designs to your circle. So you could do any design to your circle, and each circle can be different if you want. I'm going to change my pin so it's a little skinnier. Might be easier. I could do polka dots on one. I can do swirly lines, whatever kind of designs that I want to make on my flowers. And just make them look really nice and fun. Okay, so pause and make your flower decoration. And if you'd like to, after you're done with that, you can even make some leaves to fill in some of the space. So I'm going to make my leaves here. Obviously, you want to keep them on. And I could even have a leaf in here if I wanted to. And I could also make my stems of my flowers if I want to. If you put in a lot of leaves and circles, you might not even need stems. And finally, you're going to color it. And so this is where your fractions come in. So I'm going to color maybe this flower and this flower blue. Now I'm coloring the whole flower the same color. So you want to make sure that it is, you're not adding different colors with your pattern. So it should all be the same color. I'm going to make this one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm going to make them purple. And finally, I'm going to make this one and this one red. So, because this is fractions, now I want you to show me the fractions. So, I would come over here, and I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flowers total, and I have 2 8s are blue, 4 8s are purple, and 2/8 are pink. And normally I would make that look really nice in the vase, so you want to make sure that you have it in the vase. When you're done with that, you can color the vase, and you could even decorate the background of your wall. So think of this as your wallpaper back here. So you could make little designs. This is my wallpaper. And you can even color, if you wanted to, you could color your, I meant to color my background, or my tablecloth. So it colored a little bit more than I was expecting, but I could color my tablecloth if I wanted to. So that's something else that you can do. So I colored my tablecloth. So I want to see lots of color. Now, if you noticed, I had you get your crayons out. So for the coloring, you're going to want to do crayons, and then for the drawing part or the writing part is going to be the black, so that it really shows up, the black marker. Remember, pause at any time for this video, so if you need to go back, and you can re-watch it as well. Follow the directions on the sheet. If you need any help, ask a teacher or a friend. Thank you.